Hello class, I'm so happy to see you all again. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so I hope you're ready for the thoughtful and friendly discussion today, right? So today the topic of our discussion is the value of friendship, right? So let's start our discussion, our lesson with the warm-up exercise. I've written the word friendship on the board. So when you hear such words, what comes to your mind? Means what ideas, images, words do you connect with that? Okay, so think a few seconds, then I'll ask you and we will have a friendly discussion about it, right? Okay, Muhammad. Ali, keep going. Okay, nice. Okay, Muhammad, when you hear the word friendship, so what ideas do you come to your mind or images do you connect with it? Okay, support, very nice. Let me write it for you. Support, nice. Very well done. Okay, Ali, what about you? Sharing, oh nice, nice thought. Share, nice. Okay, Anna, what about you? When you hear this word, friendship. Okay, what? Trust. Nice, very nice. Great. Okay, Bob, what about you? When you hear this such a word, fun. Nice. Okay, great. So these are the very words and ideas come to our mind when we hear the word friendship, right? Okay, so before we move on to the main objective, so could you think about the situation, a moment when someone, okay, we will do it later. Okay, now for today's lesson we have three main objectives, right? By the end of the lesson, you will be able to learn these three main core ideas and objectives, right? The first one, we have identified three qualities of a good friend. So you will know about three qualities of a good friend. Next, we have discussed the impact of it, means at friendship, right? So we will discuss the impact of friendship. And the last one, we have share our personal thoughts on the friendship. So we will share our personal thoughts on the word friendship or the idea on the friendship. Okay, is everything clear with you, right? Okay, great. Okay, so let's start our discussion with the first main objective, which is the quality of a good friend. So let me talk about the very qualities of a good friend. The first quality, we have trustworthy. How do you pronounce this word? Trustworthy, right? Muhammad, you are doing well. Okay, what does trustworthy means? It means it means that the one who keeps promises, right? Or the one who you rely on. Okay, you count on, you can rely. Okay, so the first quality we have of a good friend is trustworthy. Next, we have empathetic. So okay, do you familiar with this word in this vocabulary? Empathetic, right? Okay, so it means when someone hears you, understands you, and feels you, right? So this very word we use for that person. For example, if I talk about myself, so when I was in a difficult situation and my friend Ahmed came and told me, that's very tough. So that very phrase in that very words motivate me and feel me hard that I have someone who can who can listen and understand me. Okay, now the next quality we have is supportive. Supportive means the one who can support you, encourages you, right? For example, if I give you my personal example, when I was preparing my presentation, so my friend came and he told me that you're doing an amazing job and you'll like it. So this very phrases and sentences made me encourage me and feel me motivated that I'll do it very well, right? So now it's the time, it's your time that you need to think about these qualities, and you will have your prior knowledge, and as well as you will think about a moment when someone was a supportive friend to you, right? And next we have for example, I can ask you how empathy is different from just saying sorry, right? Muhammad. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Now before we move on to the main activities, main activities, so I just want to clear some things. We will do a fair activities, okay, after some times, but we will first we will have a think and share, means we will think about these very qualities and the discussion we have done already. So in the activities, fair activities, we will have some situation that you will read and you will connect it with the qualities that we have discussed, right? Like trustworthy, empathetic, and supportive, right? So we will connect those very paragraphs, short paragraphs, to the very ideas, right? But first you need to think about it and have a clear understanding about the qualities. Okay, so move on and do it for a few minutes. Great. Okay, before we move on to the activities, so I just want to tell you that what does a good friend mean to you? Okay, Anna, what should be the first quality? Okay, trust. Very well done, Anna. Okay, next, Ahmed, what about you? Good friend. The next quality you have, empathy, right? Exactly. Okay, next quality, Muhammad, what about you? Okay. I don't hear you. Could you speak loudly? Okay, support, right? Exactly. Okay, so good friend is equal to these three main qualities: trust, empathy, and support, right? Okay, great. Okay, Waish, let me ask you one very interesting question, maybe, yeah, we can call it. Be the friend you want to have. Okay, so who do you want to have a supportive and a good friend? Okay, Bob wants. Oh, it means all of you want, right? Okay, all of you want. Okay, great. So here I written this very phrase in this very sentence that you can just learn that. Be the friend you want to have. If you want to have a good friend, so first you must be a good friend to others as well. Okay, so we will have a great discussion after that. Thank you all.